the step up. Now, this exercise has been designed to target the muscles of the legs. The primary muscle group in particular are the quadriceps muscle groups and the glutes, while the secondary target muscle groups are the muscles of the inner thigh, that is the abductor muscle group, and the muscles of the calf, that is the gastrocnemius and the soleus. So now the setup. First, we'll have the client come close to the platform, standing shoulder width apart. Next, we're going to ensure that the client has his hands on his hips or by his sides if using dumbbells for this exercise. So we have our hands on our hips, and the next is the movement, is the placement of the foot, the active foot on the platform. So I'll use my left foot and place on the platform. So by doing so, you have to ensure that the entire foot is placed centrally on the platform. Next, we'll have to ensure that our hips is in line in a straight position. We don't have to tilt our hips or sliding our hips backwards. Keep our hips straight in line with the foot on the floor. So next, this is where we have the start and finish position for a rep. Next, the movement. We're going to have the client generate force from the center of the foot on the platform, lifting the entire body and the back leg up to the platform. And by doing so, we're going to straighten the foot that is already flexed on the platform. So we have movement this manner, and then we'll instruct the client to return back the back foot to the floor. So here we have the complete rep. The tempo for this exercise should be 3-1-1-1. 3 seconds for the eccentric phase, 1 second for both isometric position and the top and bottom position, and for the concentric phase. So once you achieve the target rep range using your left foot forward, you rest for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then you repeat using your right foot forward. Alright, so how do we now modify this training intensity when dealing with a client who is injured or has head problems? There are several modifications we do to this step-up exercise that could make an injured client train without having pain or without getting that injury worsened. So one of it, we're going to make use of isometric training, in the sense that we're going to be in the position of the step up, but we're going to maintain that same position to avoid joint movement, but to increase tension in the muscles of the knee. So we could be in this position and rest, and in this position we're already having tension being built on this limb, and this can be a form of training modification for injured clients. The modification we can use is blood flow restriction training. We can tie, if I'm having injury on my right knee, I can tie and occlude the blood flow to the knee joint and have my workout in a moderate manner. And also, if that is not a good fit, if I have injuries on my right leg, I can decide to train a non-affected leg, which is the left and end training on this limb, keeping the right to engage in healing. So there could be cross transfer or benefits upon training. Another training modification is partial reps. So now we're going to have the rep range of motion incomplete in the sense that we're going to target the range of motion that has less pain sensitivity. So we're going to move incomplete range of motion. It is the beginning part of the training that the injury or the pain is pain felt, we will modify. If it is the middle, we modify. If it is the end part, we modify. So we can also have a raised platform on the resting foot to reduce the pressure on the start of the motion. If the beginning is where the pain